Another interesting connection that you make, we go back to the early 1960s, and back then there was a study on children's behavior. It was called the Bobo doll experiment. Now, what, pray tell, does the Illuminati and the music industry have to do with the Bobo doll experiment?
This is to show how easily children's behavior is influenced, how they mimic behaviors that they see. If they hadn't witnessed that behavior, the idea would never have been planted in their mind. So for people that deny and really lie that mainstream media, that the music, that these musicians don't influence people to, do drugs, to act sexually promiscuous, to behave in a destructive, socially disastrous manner, to encourage these very kinds of behaviors that they are portraying in the media. This Bobo doll experiment, a Bobo doll is this inflatable doll with a weight on the bottom. Many people have probably had one as a child or are familiar with it. Sort of like a punching bag. You punch the doll and it falls to the ground, and because it's weighted, it looks like a bowling pin, and it rises back up and you punch it again. It's a children's toy. And so this experiment showed that they put a Bobo doll in a room with a bunch of kids with a bunch of other toys, and nobody was playing with the doll. Nobody knew what to do. But as soon as an experimenter went and started punching the doll and kicking the doll, as soon as he left the room, then guess what the kids did? They mimicked his behavior. They followed in suit, when before they would have never even done that. And so it just goes to show it's a classic experiment demonstrating the various aspects of what's called social learning theory or observational learning, clearly showing that children imitate behavior that they witness.
Where is this all going, Mark?